Good morning, everyone, and when I say good morning, I definitely mean good afternoon. It's already 1:38 in the afternoon, but I actually just woke up a little while ago, mostly because I thought that no one was going to be home today, and so I was just sleeping because I don't know, I didn't want to like hang out by myself, but it turns out it was my dad's day off, so of course I just spent the whole day. Oh, you brought me a Santa hat? So I spent the whole day sleeping for like no reason, but now Dad and I are going to go and get food, I think at IHOP, and we're going to wear our Santa hats and be festive. We're in IHOP now, and Dad and I got the toasted marshmallow hot chocolate. It's freaking huge. Look at all that whipped cream on top too. It's crazy, but we're gonna try it. I've been wanting to try this, but every time I ask in LA, they say, oh, sorry, we're all out. Whatever that means. I'm just scooping up a little bit because it's sort of hot. It's so weird. It tastes just like toasted marshmallows. It's good. But it's just like, how do they do that? It's good. What do you think, Dad? Do you like it?
It's delicious.
Yeah, it's really good. Food just got here. I got like a French toast combo or something. So I got scrambled eggs, turkey, bacon, hash browns, and French toast. And Dad got a banana bread French toast. Looks really good.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
Smells good too.
Yeah, I can smell it over here.
Smell.
What do you guys think? It smells pretty good, right? We stopped at Starbucks and I got a vanilla chai tea latte with no water and whipped cream. And I don't mean no water and no whipped cream. I mean no water and please put on whipped cream. Everyone always messes that up at Starbucks because of the way I say it. I guess I should say with whipped cream and no water. That'd probably make it a little bit more clear. But I'm gonna go home now and edit Vlogmas, and then I have to get a main channel video done today. So it's been quite a while since I vlogged, but I've just been working, to be honest. I finished my main channel video and got that uploaded. That way it's ready to go for later this weekend. And also I edited and uploaded Vlogmas for today. And now I'm going to go ahead and get ready because we're going to go out for dinner. And then we're going to come back here and I think just like watch some Christmas movies or something. Just have a chill, relaxing night. I'm still pretty tired and jet lagged, so I'm still feeling like I'd rather just chill out and relax at home for the night. So we got some sort of artichoke thing. I'm not totally sure what it is, but it's artichoke hearts like fried or something, and then calamari as well. Margarita pizza just got here. We got half plain and half sausage. Yum. So we're just driving around looking at Christmas lights, and my dad wanted to show us this house because it's so crazy looking. Pull up further.
Got that big star.
I know.
Got one over the house too.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get a good view from over here, guys. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. You said he's still adding things? Yeah. Well, look at his lawn. It says Feliz Navidad.
Oh my God.
Holy crap. That's insane. If he adds anything else to this house.
Yeah. It's not a big house, right?
Yeah.
The trees. You see the balls hanging from the trees?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're watching home videos, which is like our thing during the holidays. We always pull out home videos, and we're watching this one from Christmas. What year do you think this was?
You're 2 years old.
Okay, so a long time ago, almost 20 years ago, and they're quizzing me on the whole manger, and then I decide to sing. Just the way I do that, I look like a drunk. I really do. like randomly singing the Christmas carols.
Jill, have we been trying to call Oma?
We have to try again.
Is her line been busy?
It's a little the size of my
Mark and Monica's busy too.
Maybe they're talking to each other.
All this time.
Yeah, it's been a long time. What do you hear?
I hit my elbow.
That's because we're playing the tape of when you got your Elmo.
She's gonna have to sing. She's going to sing. I knew it. She's like, I'm going to sing. But it's so cute when you're just like, yep.
I heard my Elmo.
Well, this is weird. This is a video of us watching home videos of us watching home videos. Home video inception.
Here we go. Scoot
Did
down.
Santa come?
Yeah.
What's here?
Are you happy?
I'm so tiny next to that tree. It's so cute.
I got Charlie Checkup.
Should we look and see?
Yep, that's all I wanted.
The bow.
Nope.
You don't have to take that bow off, honey. You could just rip the paper open. Look at my
Yeah, your voice is not
Just turn it over. And you see the edges?
Jester,
And
Papa.
rip it. That's right. Hey.
I had a great sense of humor even back then.
2,000 years later.
Could you imagine this in slow-mo? Oh god, it isn't
What
slow-mo.
is it, Jill? What is it, Jill?
I wish you
Did
guys
you check
could
up Charlie?
There's no way. I'm just now realizing.
Are you sure? Is it? Let me see. He brought it for you all the way on his sleigh. Jill, isn't he nice?
Well, let's open it.
There's more.
Oh, okay.
Would you like to try another one? Guess maybe Dad could help.
Okay, where did you go, Matt?
Right.
Maybe Dad could help.
What is he doing in there?
She's even annoyed now. 20 years later, still annoyed.
Look at that eagle sweatshirt.
Yeah, they got the ends glued.
And the white sweatpants he still
Still has.
All of those are yours.
Wow.
I don't trust Dad telling me. I have to ask Mom. Dad clearly has no idea what's going on here. It's a surprise for all of us.
Open one? What did you leave the candy?
Could open a present.
Watch you open up a present now, okay?
Gosh. You do steal it from me. How about one taste, Mom? Just a taste, okay? You can just have a taste. What's that?
I'm such a faker.
Let it have a taste. Then you can open your presents. Oh.
Okay, we're gonna put on a Christmas movie now. I think we're gonna watch my mother's avoiding the camera at all costs right now. I wish you could see her. I think we're gonna put on the Santa Claus movie. No. But that was a fun little trip down memory lane. Mom. Mom.
Yes.
What are we doing tomorrow, Mom? No, come on, what are we doing? It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be so much fun.
We're cooking.
Cooking what? Are we gonna do better than me and Cal?
Definitely. Yeah. Cups.
I'm upstairs now and it is just about midnight, so I'm just gonna spend some time watching YouTube videos, chilling out. I know this has been another sort of uneventful day, but that's just sort of how it is when I'm in New Jersey. I like to just chill out. It's sort of like my vacation, my break from like having to do things all the time. But tomorrow's going to be a much more eventful day because my mom and I are going to do Christmas shopping, and also I think that we're baking Christmas cookies. So there's going to be a much more exciting Vlogmas coming tomorrow. But anyway, I'm just going to chill out, watch some YouTube videos, and sort of close out my night in a nice relaxing way. Okay guys, so I am about to head to bed now. It is almost 2 in the morning now, and it is definitely time to go to sleep. The internet sucked me into it as always, and so I've just been creeping around the internet looking at a ton of different stuff, but now it's definitely time for bed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Love you guys, bye!